Hey, Lori Welton here from A&D Mortgage. We are at the FAMP Tabletop Show in Palm Beach Gardens, Florida. You may have recently seen us in the Scotsman's Guide. We've been recognized as the nation's #1 non-QM lender. What you may not know is that we also do conventional conforming, FHA, and now VA loans too.
My name is Jody Dupuy. I'm with Mortgage Resources of South Florida.
And I know you're a loyal partner.
I am.
You use the new portal.
I use the new portal. The first loan I did with you, I had in the old portal.
Okay.
So then when I did the second loan, I was in the old portal, and you're like, you got to try the new one. My brain was already trained on the old one, having been through it, but it was a pretty easy and smooth process. And it's prettier, is that the thing? Like
Yes,
it's just
okay.
more attractive to the eye and easier to navigate.
What type of loans are you doing?
Now, I would say non-QM is my main.
Okay,
I know.
perfect, because I want to make you aware of a loyalty program that we just launched.
Okay.
Okay, and so you get points and rewards for submitting loans, fewer touches, closing loans in general.
What do I use the points with?
You can use it to get rush closings, for underwriting, for waiving an administration fee. Yeah.
Nice.
Yes. Tell me about your experience and the loans that you closed.
I find I've been doing this since '98.
Okay.
Started off as a correspondent lender, switched over to a brokerage company, and you were one of my first AEs from Novistar.
Yeah.
So on next. But the thing that I determine who I'm going to do business with is actually the account executive I work with.
Nice.
If I have a question or a scenario, I can call that person, such as you. If you don't know the answer, you will go and find out and call me back, hey, Chris. It really doesn't matter what time. You call me and let me know what the situation is. Other lenders, I just don't do business with them because they don't have that support.